Hello everyone. Hi guys. So today I got up around 8:30 in the morning, and after that I got fresh and I started taking exercise, and then I started shooting some videos. Suddenly I got a call from the delivery boy of Amazon. He said that I am standing at the location with your product. Come and grab it. I said okay, I'm coming. So right now I am going to get my product from the delivery boy. Okay. See, there is a dog. This dog was actually trying to attack a boy. The boy here in the red t-shirt. So this is called situational English, everybody. Whatever you do, try to speak about that thing. You can see that there is a car. Okay. And now I have come to the location, but I can't find the delivery boy here. Okay. Oh, the delivery boy has come with this transport truck. मुझे लगा बाइक से आओगे आप. Okay. So this is the product I had ordered. I have received it. Thank you, bhaiya. Okay. So now I'm telling you what is there in this box, guys. The thing is that my son Akshat was insisting me to buy a guitar for him. It's a toy guitar. It's not the real one. So I placed an order for this guitar, and finally, maybe I think it took 3 days, and you can see this guitar is in my hand. So Akshat will be quite happy. I'm going to show him. He was just so much excited, getting ahead of himself. He was having breakfast when I received the call, and he left his breakfast. He said that, Daddy, come with the guitar. I just want to see my guitar. Though it's a toy guitar, yet he's quite happy. I promised him that when he grows up, I'll buy the real guitar for him. Okay. So you can see, it looks attractive. आम कैसे भाई? 100 का 3 किलो. So here guys, I came across a man who is selling mangoes. As you can see, this mangoes seller, peddler, whatever you call. So there are some mangoes I can show you here, guys. 100 का 3 किलो भाई. कौन सा आम है ये? लंगड़ा आम है. So this mango is called लंगड़ा आम. तो भाई थोड़ा टाइट निकालेगा भाई. वही 100 की कर दे. तो टाइट निकालिए भाई. Okay guys. So I want little tight mangoes, not so loose goose. Okay guys, so I'll catch you later. Let me check the mangoes, guys. And guys, here I can say, if you talk about the tenses, so you can see the present continuous tense here. I say that this person is putting some mangoes into the balance. This person is weighing the mangoes. So this is present continuous. Now he's putting the mangoes into the poly bag. This is the real present continuous. Don't think about raha, rahi and all. Think about the situation. Now see, he has packed it. Now you can say present perfect tense. He has packed it. Okay. Now he has handed over this whole poly bag to me. Now he's putting one more polythene so that I can hold it properly. Fine. And now I have to give him some amount. So I am taking out this 100 rupees note from my pocket, and now I'm giving it to him. This is called, situational English. Thank you. अबे तुझे तो मैं जानता हूँ. Okay, fine. So guys, now I am going back to my home. So I have this guitar in my hand, and you can see mangoes. 3 kilo था ना? And I have 3 kg mangoes here in my hand. So I am going back to my home. So mostly whatever the activities we do, mostly we use present continuous tense. Whatever you are doing, because the action is going on, so you have to use present continuous. And whatever the action has been done, you can use present perfect. Okay, like I can see a man here. Where is the man? Yeah, I can see this man. He is going. This is present continuous. And here Akshat is here. Hey Akshat, see, he's so much excited. So Akshat, your guitar is in my hand. Okay, so we will unbox it. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Okay, go. Could you please hold it, Akshat? Hold your guitar. Hold. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to unbox it. Thank you. Hey, Akshat Singh. So now we are going to just unbox it. Okay. Wait a minute. Akshat, excited? Yeah. Here we go.
I just saw a video of someone who is a kid.
Okay.
His name is Ryan.
Okay.
And he had a toy guitar. Then I thought I should also order a toy guitar.
Okay. And what happened to your teeth? Laugh. What happened to your teeth?
It broke. Shall I show you?
Yeah, sure. Ooh, here we go. The guitar.
See my tooth.
Okay. This
Let me keep it back where it was.
tooth came off. So guys, it's a toy guitar. As you can see this. Wow.
Let's open it right now.
Okay, come here, come here. You're not visible. Come here. Come, sit, 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 sit. Sit here, sit here, sit here. Okay.
Ooh, yeah. You're not
Okay.
saying anything.
We have got this. You can
Yeah.
attach it. Okay.
Yeah, just like in the photo in the Amazon, it had this thing.
Ooh.
Can I?
Yeah. Take, 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 take
Is
it.
it folded like this or like this?
You can hold it.
Like this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like this. I will tell you how to hold. Wait. I will wait. First, let me check the batteries now.
Mahabali.
So, guys, as you can see, this guitar, it looks little attractive. I would say, yeah, it looks attractive, isn't it? Attractive. Now, could you give me the screwdriver? Give me the screwdriver. I just need to unscrew this in order to check whether the batteries are there or not.
This is
So, guys, as you can see that I have just opened it and there is no battery.
but
It means company doesn't provide the batteries, okay?
But you
So we
know-
have to put our batteries by ourselves. Yeah.
this is the strongest battery.
Yeah.
It works for 1 year.
Okay, so well, I have already
You might be
purchased.
surprised.
I have already purchased some batteries, so I'm just going to put them. Come on, Akshay. Akshay, say something. So-
This is the guitar.
So, do you like this guitar very much?
Can I put? Because
No,
this is
no.
my
Let me put. Let me put fast. Why do you like the guitar? What will you do?
because I can play music with this.
You can play music.
Yeah, there is a robot which looks like a rabbit and his name is Bunny and he has the guitar.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. But why did you go for only toy guitar? If you had told me, I could have purchased real guitar for you.
But this toy guitar looks more amazing.
Hmm.
Yeah. The real guitar won't have any design.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you won't be able to strum the real guitar, eh? I think so. Okay.
It's too hard.
So as you can see, I have put 3 batteries here. Now I have to turn it on. Can you see the light? Yeah,
Yeah, but
it's blinking. Yeah.
but this part is not looking.
No, it's blinking. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Put the cap.
See. Okay, I'm putting the cap.
You know there is a music button too.
Okay.
Shall I show you how it works?
Wait. Let me. Okay. Can I strum it? No, you can't strum it.
But shall I show you?
Wait, no. Okay. Okay. Sit down. Okay. Lovely. Okay. So guys, there are some pieces of music in this guitar. So you cannot strum it since it is not a real guitar. Strumming cannot be done. You can just do it in order to show that okay, you are strumming it. Means you can just pretend to be strumming, but it cannot take place. You can just listen to some music. You can have fun. This is for children only. Okay? So Akshat, come on, take it. Hold it like this. Okay? Hold it like this. Do like this. Okay?
This.
Yeah. Come on, stand here. Yeah. Okay, happy? Now say bye to the viewers.
Bye.
Okay. So you enjoy.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much, everybody. It was the situational English class. Thank you very much, everybody.